Hey everybody, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. Wanted to take a minute to tell you about this really nice 2005 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, also known as the LJ. If you listen close, you notice a little bit deeper sound coming from this one. It has a 6-liter LS swap, a 4L60E transmission swap as well. It's managed by a Terminator X system, has Dakota digital gauge cluster. Also has a really nice long arm Clayton lift, Rubicon Express shocks, 285, 75, 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, factory hardtop. The Jeep has air conditioning. Just a really nice Jeep. A lot of money has been spent on this rig to get it where it is currently. Runs and drives great. I encourage you to go to our website, premierautosource.com. Take a look at the many detailed photos. If you have any questions, you can call or text me at 904-382-7230. On our website, premierautosource.com, you'll find a link to the free Carfax as well. You can direct message us through any of our socials. We look forward to hearing from you. Appreciate your interest. Have a great day.